Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Learning Guitar. We have Friday here on a Wednesday. Why not Friday? When it comes to you. So this one is very easy when it comes to the playing here. We have just one thing going on here, picking pattern, and that's what you're gonna do here through the entire song. So let's start with this one. We'll have that. So capo on the first fret. That's what we need. And we have no reason to go over chords or so, since you only pick two notes together through an entire song here. No need for strumming or so. So yeah, let's dive right into this one. It starts with a G-based thing here. You pick the third fret on E string together with open B. Okay, so. And then in many cases here, you hit the clap here after the notes. And what I prefer to use for this song is to just hit the E string here. Do not do the clap over all strings, because that will kill the sound. And since we don't have that much of strumming, just one kick on the strings, then we want that sound to ring out as much as possible. So like this, and then you can use your thumb or so, like I do, to hit the E string. That's enough for the clap. All right, so third on E together with open B. Okay, then comes this. Okay, so you hit the open E string together with third fret E down here, top string. Then second E, open E, and open B. And that's for the E minor part. This is based upon the E minor chord. Then we'll move on to the A here, and you will just hit open A together with second B, and then the clap, or on the strings. And then we go to the B minor based grip here, the second fret A string together with third B, and then a clap. Different claps every time I see that, but anyway, I think you understand. Like this, that's a good sound. So second A together with third B, and then we go on to the G here, third fret E string and open B with a clap. And then the B minor again in the same way, and clap. And then A in the same way, open A together with second B, and clap. And then you have the final part. It's based upon the E minor, sounds like this. And that is the open E in the bass together with third fret E string top note here. And then second E. And there you have one round. Okay, so okay, and that is how it works. So Friday, when it comes to you, you will play like this from the beginning till the very end, and that wraps it up. So thank you very much for your watch time here. I love your support, guys, and if you could thumb up this tutorial if you like it, then please feel free, and even subscribe if you haven't yet. So thank you for everything here and all you do for me on this channel, and until next time, play tuned.